up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big announcement. I guess I can just come right out with it, right? I decided to move. I am moving in 7 days, I think, exactly a week from today. It's kind of out of nowhere. I've been entertaining the thought for a few months, but I decided to pull the trigger a couple weeks ago, and I found an apartment that I absolutely love. I went apartment hunting and I vlogged the entire thing, so definitely keep your eyes peeled for that. It's loft edition, so that's a hint as to what kind of property I'm moving into. Definitely different from what I currently have now, but yeah, super exciting. I am super excited about this. I needed a fresh start so badly. I know you guys are probably craving some new content and a new vibe from my channel. I think you guys are really gonna like it. There may or may, no, let me not give away any hints. I was gonna tell you some details, but keep your eyes peeled for the apartment hunting video and the content to come. Today's video is going to be a pack and clean with me. I love these kind of videos. It's going to be a lot of time lapses, but I don't know, I just find these super satisfying to watch, and I thought I would just make an announcement that I'm moving. So yeah, today we're going to tackle the bathroom and kitchen as well. I think some of the kitchen cabinets. I have a big undertaking, so let's go ahead and just jump right into it because I have a lot to do today. Okay guys, so I have my work cut out for me in the bathroom. I have a ton of makeup to organize and get rid of. A lot of this stuff is pretty old, and I honestly, this is like my makeup, my everyday makeup bag that I just grab and use. All of this other stuff is just makeup that I've accumulated over the years, and I really just need to go through it and truly get rid of all the stuff that I'm never gonna wear again. I can see about 10 things I'm never gonna use. And then this drawer has like hair products and just blow dryers, curling irons, as you can see. So I need to just pack all this stuff up. Luckily I did this organization not too long ago, so I don't have to go through too much stuff, but it all has to be packed. Let the packing commence. This is like kind of dreadful, but also I've been looking forward to doing this. I just love organizing so much. It's time consuming, but like when it's for a move, it's kind of exciting at the same time. So I kind of been looking forward to this, so yeah. I did pretty good. This is pretty much all my bathroom stuff, and 3 boxes is like good, I think. I have all this organization stuff here that I have to basically take down or collapse, and that'll go into a separate box, so it'll really be like 3 boxes total. But yeah, I think that's pretty good for the bathroom, and I feel good about it. Now we can move on to the kitchen. Actually, I have to take all of this out and then mop the floors. And I also have to clean the inside of the cabinets and the drawers and everything like that. once I emptied the bathroom, it was finally time to clean. I'm gonna mop the floors and clean all of the cabinets. As you can see, I'm gonna be using my new Sheenly steam mop. They are the sponsor of this portion of today's video. It comes in this adorable pink color, but more importantly, this high pressure steam mop heats up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit and has a continuous steam for 12 to 25 minutes for taking on any tough or sticky messes. It has 3 steam modes and 7-in-1 accessories to clean most indoor scenarios. You can even switch to a detachable handheld steamer for windows, stoves, grills, and more. So it literally can clean almost anything. All you do is simply add water and the steamer is ready in just 15 seconds. The mop head also effortlessly sweeps under the shelves, behind the toilet seat, and in between narrow spaces, so you leave no hard to reach corners behind. As you can see here, the tile goes all the way up my shower, so I decided to just steam the sides of the shower. It was super easy and I was able to get in all of the hard to reach corners. So Sheenly provides a 1-year money back guarantee, timely customer assistance, and durable replacement parts. If you guys want to get your hands on a mop of your own, head to the description box and use my link to get your own steam mop. So yeah, I'm going to be using this to clean all the floors throughout my apartment, and anything basically I can use with steam to clean. It just makes it so much easier. So yeah, definitely check out the mop in the description box. So I've got my cleaning products. These are one of my favorite brands called Infuse. I'm almost out. Purposely I haven't replaced them because I know I'm moving, so I can just toss these out when I leave. I don't have to worry about keeping them. Actually, that's a lie. These are reusable. You just buy the insert. So just kidding, but normally I would just leave them empty. Microfiber towel, I love her. She's from Amazon. You can find these on Amazon, and they just make your faucets and everything so shiny. They make your windows so clean. So yeah. Before we finish up today, I wanted to pack all of my decor stuff in one box. Luckily, I had some extra tissue paper laying around to wrap all the glass items in one box. And then I also did my foliage as well. Then I moved on to the kitchen cabinets and just packed my dry ingredients, basically anything that was pretty easy to just pack really fast. I've pretty much organized this all room by room for the next 7 days, basically 1 room per day. So wish me luck. That is all for today's packing video. Okay. Oh, I told Zoe we were gonna go on a walk, which we are. I still have quite the mess. I hate the moving process. It's just like mess everywhere. Oh my God, be patient. So we're moving out. Me telling Zoe the news too. We're leaving, yeah, we go bye-bye. Zoe, mommy going bye-bye. Yeah, yes. Oh, this is exciting. This is exciting. Yes, this is exciting. Oh my God, Zoe. No, that was bad, girl. Do you guys see this little menace? She's always polite for the camera. Not today. I'm getting ready to go drop off some Poshmark items, sitting down with a glass of wine. A glass of rosé is in order. I'm gonna go get some Chipotle, some takeout, relax, watch Emily in Paris just came out. Very excited about season 3. I'm trying to watch Christmas movies because Christmas is a couple days away. Yeah, I feel like I don't know if I did a proper intro this morning, kind of introducing the vlog. I was like half asleep and just really stressful. I guess moving is up there with like divorce with stress. So yeah, it's been quite the year, but I'm so excited for a fresh start. This place is going to be all mine, all on my own. I haven't moved into my own spot that was just mine since I was like 22 years old. I think I was back in Michigan when I was in college, my senior year of college. So this will be a very nice fresh start for me. I'm just excited to be at a place that's only my energy. I just felt like I needed to have like a restart in life. I love that I'm moving on December 30th. So having a literal refresh, I'll wake up 2 days later is the new year. So it'll be like new year, new apartment, new me. I'm just kidding. No one loves a fresh start more than me. So I'm excited. Then I'm gonna also sign up for a new gym as well. So it'll be a lot of new things for me. You guys know that TikTok that's like when you realize you're in a new episode or a new chapter, new plot lines and new characters. It's kind of like that. So that's really exciting to me. I will miss this building and everyone in it so much. It's been like the biggest year of growth. I don't know if I've said that before, but I feel like every year as you get older, like you just get older and wiser. So it feels like I've learned so much this year, but this has been single-handedly the biggest year of transformation and healing and just really taking responsibility over myself and my mental health more than I ever have before. Yeah, it's just this apartment just reminds me of like healing and the amount of tears that I've cried, the amount of nights that I've cried myself to sleep here, woke up crying. It's been truly the most challenging environment that I've been in mentally. Not because of the environment. Luckily, I mean, honestly, the environment's been great. Luckily, like it could have been so much worse. I'm so lucky to have all of these amenities in this building that I won't have at my next place, unfortunately. But I was so lucky to just be in this really nice, cushy environment for healing because, yeah, I had no idea what was in store when I moved in here. All of the things that would happen, COVID, divorce, dating other people, and that not working out was really hard too. Like so much therapy for the last 2 years. There was so much that went on even in 2020 when I moved in. So yeah, it's been a hell of a journey for me. But I'm excited for a fresh start and I feel really good and I feel so happy and content on my own right now. And I'm really glad that I've had this opportunity to be on my own and just really focus on myself and I have no distractions other than just me and what I'm doing. So I feel really good, I really healed. A really nice end to this chapter. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. I know it was kind of all over the place. Vlog will suffice. I mainly just wanted to let you guys know that I'm moving so you guys can get excited for moving content. So get excited for that. It's a different vibe, guys. You guys are gonna love it though. It's definitely gonna bring you back to those like New York vibes. And the area is super cute too, so I'm so excited. Yay for fresh starts. Cheers.